YouTube vlog. My name is Kavita and welcome to my YouTube channel Kavita's Dream. Actually this channel is all about family outing, traveling and most importantly that is my favorite part, that is the food. And I'm so excited to share our life with all of you. Today is a very exciting day because we are taking the delivery of a brand new car. We were waiting for this moment for weeks, and we are going to Trivandrum. It will be almost like 1.5 hours journey from here. And this is my two little kids. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Tell your name.
My name is Jarvin George. My name is Jeffrey George.
Say a big hi to everyone.
Hi.
Are you excited today?
Yes.
Okay, let's go then.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Our showroom, so you can see this is empty showroom in Trivandrum. Let's go inside.
MG Motors has become a long way since its inception in 1924. From its early days as a producer of sports car to its current lineup of electric and hybrid vehicles, MG Motors has remained true to its roots of performance and style, with a strong commitment to innovation and sustainability. MG Motors is poised to continue its success for many years to come. This is the mini cafe inside the showroom, and trust me, you will get the best coffee here. Our family photo was displaying on the screen. The salesperson explains us how to use the MG application.
ഇതുവരെ ടോട്ടൽ കിലോമീറ്റേഴ്സ് വെഹിക്കിൾ റൺ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് 38 കിലോമീറ്റേഴ്സാണ്. ഇതാണ് ഫ്യൂൽ ടാങ്കിൻ്റെ കപ്പാസിറ്റി കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിപ്പോൾ 11% ഫ്യൂൽ നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ സാറ് ടാപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് വെഹിക്കിളിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ സ്കാനിങ് ആണ്. ടോട്ടൽ സ്കാൻ ചെയ്ത് വെഹിക്കിളിനകത്ത് എന്തെങ്കിലും അബ്നോർമലായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. ഇപ്പോൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലോക്ക് സ്റ്റാറ്റസ്, വെഹിക്കിൾ അൺലോക്ക്ഡ് ആണ്, ഡോർ സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് ഓപ്പൺ ആണ്. അതുപോലെ ഓരോ ഡോറിൻ്റെ ഇതുണ്ട്. ടയർ സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് അബ്നോർമൽ, ടയറിൻ്റെ നോക്കാം, ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. അതിപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ, ഈ ടയറിലാണ് പ്രഷർ അല്പം കുറവാണ്, അതാണ്.
Everybody is enjoying their coffee.
The documentation process is going on behind me.
ടിപ്പിയുടെ പേപ്പർ ചെയ്യാനോ സ്റ്റിക്കർ റെഡിയായിരുന്നു. സ്റ്റിക്കർ റെഡിയാ ഇല്ലല്ലോ.
The documents are signed. Finally, the car key handover ceremony is going to start. It's a sheer real feeling to see the car that we have been dreaming of for so long. Watching your children jump up and down, laughing and squealing with joy, is a feeling of pure happiness. Do you agree? How excited are they? We are going to cut the cake now. We handed out sweets to the staff. And there is a new car, looking shiny and perfect. I'm so excited to get behind the wheel and take it for a spin. The bouquet is presented by Elizabeth Mann.
your face.
Tea handover was done by MD sir. This is Sachin. He is the person who attended us from the beginning, from test drive to documentation to and clearing all our queries. We are all buckled up and ready to go for a ride. Seeing their faces light up as they experience the new car with you is a moment you will never forget. We have reached Matanam Bridge. In future, I'll be making vlog near this place. It's a very beautiful place.
Hello, Esther.
Yeah.
Close sunroof.
We hope you had fun seeing our excitement over our new car, and I can't wait to create more memories with it.
Thank you all for joining me on this journey, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. At last, I just want to say, be happy and make everyone around you happy.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.